Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and this video is going to be all about your LeadCart account setup. So LeadCart is a very lightweight shopping cart software. It's very fast, it's very flexible, but there is a lot going on under the hood, as is the case with most software products. And so I'm going to kind of break it down. And as I learn things and pick up some tips and tricks along the way, I'm going to share them with you in bite-sized videos. So if you want to learn more about LeadCart, if you're considering getting it, or if you already own it and you need some help figuring it out, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give me a like on this video, and I will be sure to continue creating content related to LeadCart. So I'm here in the LeadCart app. This is where you sign in. As you can see, I've created a funnel, and this is showing that it's been viewed. It's just been viewed by me when I'm previewing it, but this is the analytics at work. And now I purchased a agency account, so if I click here, then I could add new brands if I wanted to. Or I could go to account settings and add sub-accounts, because I have 10 credits that I can use to make 10 brand accounts or 10 sub-accounts, which exist on separate subdomains from my own. So that's pretty nice. And that would be one way you could get started if you wanted to have separate accounts. But for me, I'm just going to focus on my main account for now, because I really want to sell some PDFs on my blog. And so as you can see, I've created my first funnel, and I've created some product pages within that funnel. But I'm just going to show you how you can set up your account really quickly. So basically there's two places that you need to go. One is to account settings and one is to brand settings. So we'll go to brand settings first. Here you can put in your company name, you can upload your logo, country, time zone, your email address, or support contact information otherwise, default currency, and the brand subdomain. Then in personal settings, you get your name and your email. You can reset your password. And then under brand management, this is another place that I can create a new brand, and this is also where I could delete other brands that I create. And that's basically how you can set up your account. So that's pretty simple. And I figured we would start off with easy stuff. We're going to get into some more complex stuff pretty quickly, because like I said, there is a fair amount going on under the hood. Even though it's pretty simple and lightweight software, it is still software. And anyways, so that is how you can set up your account with LeadCart. And if you need help, just click on this icon in the bottom right corner. You can chat with the staff or search for answers in their database. And if there's anything specific that you need help with, just leave me a comment. Or if you have any questions about the software, again, feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll be happy to help you out in any way that I can. So I will catch you in the next video, and thanks for watching.